Use the control panel in the door to operate the side windows, in the front, and via the rear button in the rear as well. If you press and hold the rear button, you can control all the windows simultaneously. A properly illuminated road is crucial for your safety. The settings for the exterior lighting are controlled via the touch panel next to the steering wheel. In auto mode, your ID automatically switches between daytime running light and dip beam, so you can fully concentrate on driving. Especially handy when you switch on the main beam in this mode, your ID will automatically switch to dip beam when there's oncoming traffic, for example. If your ID is equipped with IQ Lite, you will benefit from the innovative Matrix technology. This allows you to activate the poor weather light, for example, which will illuminate the road more widely and reduce unpleasant reflections. That makes things more comfortable and safer for you.
Volkswagen.